Hi, welcome to Freshers Live. Here I will explain how to apply for Junior Medical Officer vacancies in Tripura Public Service Commission. In the top of page you will find the company name, vacancy name, educational qualification, total number of vacancy, salary and other key information about this vacancy. This is the link of recruitment page. This link is given below the video. In the details passage you will find the detailed notification about the vacancy like number of post, name of post, educational qualification and salary details. The last date to apply for this vacancy is 28th February 2015. When scrolling down at the bottom of the page, you see click here for more details button and click on it. This is the official notification page of Tripura Public Service Commission. Tripura Public Service Commission invites applications from eligible medical officers for the post of Junior Medical Officer vacancy. Here the educational qualification and other qualification salary details are given. Candidates read it carefully before you apply for this vacancy. Candidates up to 40 years can apply for this vacancy. Candidates have age relaxation under their category. For Tripura state candidates, the application will be available at Tripura Gramin Bank. Candidates other than Tripura state can download the application from Tripura Public Service Commission and deposit the recruitment fee to this account number in the State Bank of India in favor of the Secretary Tripura Public Service Commission. The recruitment fees for Tripura state candidates and other state candidates are listed here. Candidates read it carefully before you pay the application fees. Interested candidates may send their application in the prescribed format enclosed with a self-addressed postcard indicating the advertised number and name of the post applied for. After reading all these instructions, candidates now go back to Freshers Live page and scroll down the page. Here we see click here to apply button and click on it. This is the application form of Tripura Public Service Commission. This is the application form of Tripura Public Service Commission. Candidate first write the name of post and select the preference of post code and then write the advertisement number and item number. Candidates please fill all the details in black ballpoint pen in capital letters. Then candidates have to fill their personal details like name, father's and mother's name, date of birth, sex, nationality and state. Then candidates have to fill their community category, whether they belongs to general, SC, ST or OBC. Candidates please affix a recent passport size photograph with the signature. If the applicant is physically challenged person, please select yes, otherwise select no. In case the applicant is currently working in any organization, please state the Department of Government. Please write your correct communication address with contact number and email ID. Candidates no need to fill this section. This section is only for official use. After filling all these sections, candidates finally put their signature in this box. The educational qualification and the experience details are correctly filled in these sections. Please fill your physical fitness details like height, weight, normal chest size and expanded chest size. Please write the optional papers or subjects in abbreviated form. In case you have been disqualified by UPSC or PSCs from appearing at this examination, select yes, otherwise select no. Please write here the fees payment details like challan number and date. Candidates finally read the declaration part and sign in signature column. This is the admit card of Tripura Public Service Commission. Candidates first write the name of examination, then they have to fill the personal details like name, father and mother's name, correct communication address with PIN code. Here candidate have to paste a recent passport size photograph with the signature. Please fill your optional papers here. Candidates no need to fill these sections. This section is only for official use. Here some general conditions are given to candidates. Candidates read it carefully before you apply for this vacancy. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.